Once again, to all of our guests inside of the Grand Arena, we would like to invite you to our Crocodile Penne for your entertainment. Crocodile Penne is located here under the bridge. Here at our Crocodile Mart, we have two different species of crocodiles. First is console water crocodile, second is the living freshwater crocodile. Did you know that the crocodiles have four means of local ocean? First, the medical one is second, the high water. This is because 70% of crocodiles' muscles are found on their feet. Crocodiles swallow rocks and stones to aid in their digestion. They also have strength in balancing in the water. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. My name is Kuya Boy, and I am your animal. Once again, my name is Kuya Boy, and I'm your host for this afternoon. Now I have some background information for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005, and we are in coordination with the DNR, DOD, and BAI. Now as a way of saying, thank you for being with us in this crocodilific afternoon. We brought you the show where you will meet our animal ambassadors and to get your free selfies after the show. But before that, I have some friendly reminders for you. Once again, folks, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with a scientific name of Halianthus locogaster. Loco meaning white, and gaster meaning belly. That's why they call them white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea eagle are commonly found near coastal areas of Australia, India, and Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines. Their wingspan can flash half. Folks, palakpakan po natin sila. At syempre, ang ating mga pogi trainers, ang sina Kuya Jimar at Kuya Cyril ay uwi na sila. Alright, now let's proceed na agad sa ating next. There you go. At syempre, ang kanyang younger brother, na si JJ. And once again, folks, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine great hornbill with a scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao, and ensis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see, guys, kung prize start at the count of 3, you need to shout fly. Alright, now let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, yeah? One more energy. 1, 2, 3, yeah? Ayan, ready na ating mga bisita, mga Kuya Dex, Kuya Richie, ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw? Now, folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! What a perfect catch! Mr. Bill and JJ. Now, guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So naliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. mas maraming insekto na nag-catch ni Lalaking Kalaw, ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin ni Ate Girl ng Kalaw. Did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Ay, sana ako talaga po. 2, 3, and... fly! And that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw. The alarm clock of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga Kalaw po sa siyempre. And that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with Kuya Michael. Na Kuya Michael, may pa-presets ba yan? Or ito mga kiddos natin na nasa harap. Lapitan natin si Kuya Michael, okay? I-beat natin si Barak. Don't you worry, don't be... Okay, once again folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with a scientific name of Ara Ararauna, meaning genius. Why are they called geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child po. So magkasing talino lang ni Barak ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. And just like most parrots guys, si Barak ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. What is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Papakita yan ni Barak using a Filipino footwear called Kadam-Kadam. Alright Barak, so read that word folks. 2 in the front, 2 in the back, allowing them to grab items. So march on it, boy. Left, right, o dadan, left, right, and papa. Good boy. Barak, at dahil daw dyan, daw Barak, may high five ka kay Kuya Michael. High five kay Kuya Michael. Alright, one more high five kay Kuya Michael. Okay, now folks, napakalaki. A non-biodegradable pen. At ayan na nga po, i-check na ni Barak at mukhang okay naman yung mga basurahan natin, Kuya Michael. Na Kuya Michael at ikanong pen, ang unang kukunin ni Barak, a piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable pen. Good boy. Ano pangalawang kukunin ni Barak, and this time a piece of leaf dahon, which is gonna go to the biodegradable bin. May dalawang basura, boy. A piece of leaf dahon, which is gonna go to the biodegradable bin. At one piece of trash lang, boy. Piece of plastic. Saan nga ba ilalagay ang plastic? To the non-biodegradable bin. Palapakan po natin si Barak, folks. As you can see, guys, kung kaya ni Barak, Alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now guys, did you know Apollo is a multi-talented star? Who wants to see Apollo dance? Raise your hand. Once again, once. And that is the moonwalk made famous by Michael Jackson. So katras kid boy. O, pakita mo sa kanila kung gano'ng kagaling mag-moonwalk. O, dahan-dahan. And... O, tama na Apollo, baka mahulog ka sa table boy. Alright, now, and this time, let's see his acting skill. Magaling tong umarte si Apollo, guys. Magaling tong artista. Alright, now Apollo, what do we do if you see a predator? May akila boy, may predator. Anong gagawin kung may akila? Ayun na folks. Patay. Patay, good boy Apollo. That is their natural look. Yan. May akila si taas mo. Okay, wait lang. Alright, anong gagawin kung may akila? Ayan na guys. Grabe ka talaga Apollo. Napaka-dramatic mo talaga boy. Alright, now, next sir mo Apollo. Okay, now. Ako daw, may. How about me daw, boy, Apollo? Look at me. Am I good looking? Pogi ba ako, Apollo? Nabayos mo talaga. And, para lang. Good boy, Jumbo. Now to the kids out there. Or ako, dahan-dahan. And, nalalala. Para lang. Good boy, Jumbo. With a scientific name, huh? Our infinite tail can act as a fifth limb, meaning it is prehensile in nature. Then it moves to down, boy. Okay, wait lang natin, folks. Down na, boy. Ayan, humanap muna ng pwesto si Teddy. Alright, ayan na. Down, Teddy. Down na, boy. Ayan na, folks. And there you go. That is prehensile tail in action, po. They're doing that in the wild to get some fruit hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy, guys. Now, folks, may direct attention, guys, okay? Once again, we are still working with wild animals, no? As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior, okay? Kung ayaw talaga mag-perform ni Uno dyan, si Kuya Cyril na lang ating paakyatin sa kahoy, folks, para may makita tayong talent ngayong hapon. Okay lang ba yung si Kuya Cyril? Di Uno ngayong hapon po, okay? Wait lang natin, makapwesto si Uno. Alright, now uno. Up.
Kuya. Okay. O, ingat na baka lilipad yan. Andiyan ba? Ako, pinag-confirm na nga nila guys. Kung andyan na nga, folks. There you go. Once again, guys. That is Piolo. And mas mga bisita namin, hindi pa nakapag-experience. Humawak na nga. You can touch it, you can hold it, bro. Okay? Alright, gawin lang natin ang ating pong trainers natin. Thank you so much, mga kuya, for finding Piolo at Daniel. O, Kuya Jim. Ang tamo din si mga Kuya Jim. Ano na ako tuloy? Okay, we promise to you guys. Again, sanay na po ito sa inyo. Okay? Again, already trained na po ito. So, huwag kayong mag-alala. Huwag kayong matakot. Now, before we meet Piolo at Daniel, this is our gentle giants. Ang ating mga Burmese python with the scientific name of Python pipittatus. They are the third largest species snakes in the world because they can reach up to 24 feet long and 90 kilograms. So Piolo here is nasa 3 to 4 kilograms and Daniel here is nasa 8 to 9 kilograms. So medyo okay. Asan sina friends? Taas ko my friends. Asan? Hello friends. Ang mabuhay ko pareho. Now friends, take a lot of beautiful photos for her please. Okay. Pang mighty daw ni ma'am sa Facebook, pang Instagram. Ayan ma'am, show your Valentina pose. Ayan, pwede kang rumampa dyan ma'am ha. Sayo yung stage natin dito. Alright. Ay, may confident na si ma'am. Ay, sorry. Okay, ayan. Andyan ba? Okay, wait lang po. Alright na Kuya Gmar. Okay na ba, friends? And we should be good. Na Kuya Gmar, pwede na natin kunin yung ahas. Okay? Ayun lang problema natin, ma'am, kasi okay, joke. Ala! Okay, joke. Kapiniro ka lang ni Kuya Gmar, ma'am. Okay, ayan. Thank you so much, ma'am, ha? Kasama natin dito sa Crocodile Park. Ala, hello? May tao po ba? Sino po kasama natin? Kasama natin, sino kasama ma'am? We promise you again, ma'am, don't you worry. Non-venomous naman po ang ating mga ahas, so hindi nakakamatay ang kanilang kagat. Pero kung strictor, meaning, sasakalin nila yung pagkain bago lalamunin ng buo at mukhang gutom po yan ang ating mga ahas. Okay, joke lang. Now, sa mga kasama ni ma'am again, take a lot of beautiful photos for her, please. Okay, pang mighty daw ni ma'am sa Facebook. Alam mo, sa pan-checking the time, sumobra na kasi kami sa aming show, guys. At mga trainers natin hindi pa nakapag-merienda, so kailangan muna namin mag-break in 15 minutes lang, ha? At ikaw, ma'am, hanapin nyo lang kami doon sa office, ma'am. Mag-break muna kami in 15 minutes lang po, okay? Now, folks, mag-break muna kami in 15 minutes. Babalik lang po kami. Lagan kayong salamat sa inyong tanan. Again, sa mga kasama ni ma'am, take a lot of beautiful photos. Okay, joke lang, ma'am. Biniro ka lang naman. Okay, ayan. Bigat talaga yan, ma'am. Si Daniel nasa 8 to 9 kilograms at Piolo is nasa 3 to 4. Okay ka lang ba, ma'am?